Hi guys, welcome to this short video. If you have an Android mobile phone, then this video is probably for you. This morning I was literally shocked to see that an Android security patch was not installed since August. I mean, we have almost or we are close to October now, and the security patch from August was not installed. That's crazy to see. So I can highly recommend for everybody with an Android phone, go to your system settings and check whatever you have about phone or security. So here with the Xiaomi we have something on top about the phone, and then on top we have system update, and you can check on that, and usually if there is an update available it should tell you. I mean, for me, I think it was already a red button on this page, but it didn't bring up a real warning. I mean, probably in the status information there was something. I mean, when you pull down and check for your status information, you would probably see that, but I'm not one who checks status information every day because sometimes it's just too much. I would also recommend to check whatever you find of the system apps updater or security status. So really go there and check if you can update anything. There are so many bad software like Trojan horses, malware, whatsoever. There are so many things, so it's really helpful and really important that you keep your phone updated. I was expecting that the phone would do it automatically, at least security patches, or bring up a real hefty warning or something like that to ask me to update, but it didn't do so. I can highly recommend maybe also add like a task which pops up every month or so and reminds you to check on updates on the phone in the system settings. It's really important because this all the system don't automatically protect you. You have sometimes to keep the system updated on your end. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions, comments, or better suggestions, just let me know in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.